Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Pack Mama, and today I am going to go over the linked treble crochet stitch. I've already chained up 13, and let's get started. So traditionally, you would yarn over twice for a treble crochet, but to get this started for linked crochet, you're going to work into the second chain from the hook. You're going to insert, draw up a loop, and into the next one you're going to insert and drop a loop, and into that fourth chain, you're going to draw up and pull a loop for 4 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over and draw through 2 more. And that's the beginning of our linked treble crochet. So now we're going to work into this first horizontal bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, second horizontal bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then into the next unworked chain space, or chain, not space, chain, you're going to yarn over and drop a loop, and then finish off like a traditional treble crochet. And that's really all there is to this linked crochet technique for treble. So you find the horizontal bars, which are right here and here, secondly. You're going to insert your hook into that first bar, yarn over and draw up a loop into the second bar. You're going to do the same thing and into the next chain as well. And I'm just going to finish off this row and then meet you up to show how to start row 2. Okay, so I've come to the end, and now I'm going to turn my wick and I'm going to chain 3. And I'm going to work it just like the chain from below. I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over into the next chain, yarn over and into that first stitch, yarn over, and then finish it up like a traditional treble crochet. And same process. I'm going to work through the horizontal bars all the way across. And then you're going to drop a loop in between each one instead of yarning over. And that's how you get the 4 loops on your hook that you need for the treble crochet. So I'm just going to finish up this row and do a few more rows and show you what a sample looks like at the end. See you soon. Okay, so I've come to the end. My yarn ball is tangled, that's why it's right next to the swatch. But you can see this works up pretty quickly. This is just 1, 2, 3 rows of linked treble crochets, and on the front side it looks like 3 single crochets worked on top, separated by a vertical bar. So it creates a really unique texture, and there's less gaps than in traditional treble crochet, which is really nice if you're working up a nice cozy blanket or a garment. And that's really all there is to this stitch. I really like the wrong side look of it too, because it has this really interesting look to it as well. And yeah, that's it. If you can visit my blog for the written instructions for this and all of the other stitches, and you can also visit my channel for the other basic linked stitches as well, because I have videos for single, half doubled, and double linked crochet. So thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I hope you come back for more. Thank you.